Welcome back to the series where we turn flashcards into interactive Python quizzes, powered by AI and built on a Raspberry Pi. We've covered everything from basic math to world capitals, and today we're heading into US history. My name is Caroline, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a US president's trivia quiz using ChatGPT to help generate questions and guide the Python code. This is a great project if you're studying for a history test, exploring Python programming, or just a fan of presidential trivia. I'll walk you through how I used ChatGPT to suggest facts and structure the quiz. Then we'll create a simple Python script that tests your knowledge of US presidents. As always, I'm running this on my Raspberry Pi, but you can follow along on any computer that supports Python. If you're new to Raspberry Pi, I've linked my setup tutorial in the description. And if you just want to code, you'll find the full script on my GitHub, also linked in the description. Ready to combine history, Python, and a little help from AI? Now let's get started. We are starting with a default desktop for my Raspberry Pi 5. First thing we need to do is open up a web browser. I'm going to use Chromium, and we need to get to ChatGPT. That is the AI we're going to use for this one, but you really could use other ones as well. We're going to make a quiz about US presidents. Write a Python trivia quiz about US presidents, ask 5 questions. And let's see what it comes up with. So it came up with 5 questions, and then it's going to score you on these 5 questions. Copy that, and I'm going to the Raspberry, programming, mousing over programming, and clicking on Genie. I'm going to paste that, and let's save. I'm going to call it presidents.py. Let's hit the run button. Who was the first president of the United States? I'm going to type in George Washington. Correct. Which US president issued the Emancipation Proclamation? Hopefully I spelled this right. Abraham Lincoln, enter, correct. Who was the only president to serve more than 2 terms? Correct. Who was president during the September 11 attacks? Okay, so I'm just going to get this wrong just to see what happens. Incorrect. The correct answer is George W. Bush. Who was the first African American president of the United States? And I've spelled his name incorrectly, and it won't let me go back. Sorry. Enter. Wrong, incorrect, quiz complete, your score is 3 out of 5. That is a quick little game it came up with to test my presidential knowledge. Let's think about how we can expand this. Expand with questions from 1786 to 1980 and create a GUI interface. Enter. And I'm gonna go back to Genie, and I'm gonna start a new file. Right click, paste. I'm saving this file as presidents-gui.py, and let's run it. Who was the first president of the United States? Okay, there's a little radio button here. I'm going to hit George Washington, hit submit. Who was the principal author of the Declaration of Independence and later became president? I'm going to hit Thomas Jefferson. Who led the Union during the Civil War? I'm going to hit Abraham Lincoln. Served more than 2 terms? That was Franklin D. Roosevelt. Submit. And who was elected president in 1980? That was Ronald Reagan. Hit submit. All right, I scored 5 out of 5. Excellent. You're a presidential expert. Excellent. Well, making it multiple choice also helped to expand into a library of 20 questions. Let's see if it can come up 20 questions and add a timer. Now the question bank has 20 questions. You have 20 seconds to answer the question. I'm going to have it rewrite just because it's going to take too long for this video. I'm going to rewrite Python to end quiz after 5 questions, set timer for 10 seconds per question. Only 5 questions we asked, selected from the 20 question library, 10-second timer per question. Looks like it is done. Excellent. I'm going to hit copy, new, right click paste, save. I'm going to save this file as presidents-timer.py, enter, and let's run this. Who was president during World War I? I don't know. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Who was president during the start of the Great Depression? Oh, and then I ran out of time. Who's the only president who served more than 2 terms? Oh, wow, this is quick. Okay, and then I scored 2 out of 5. The 10 seconds was really too quick for me. All right, I need to keep studying history. And that's it. Your US President's Trivia Quiz is complete. We used ChatGPT to help generate questions, build the logic in Python, and ran the entire project right on a Raspberry Pi. Whether you're brushing up on American history, learning to code, or combining both, this is a fun and practical way to build your skills with help from AI. As always, the full Python script is available on my GitHub repository, along with links to other videos in this AI-powered quiz series. If you've enjoyed this project, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Drop a comment with what quiz you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.